These curls are so freaking juicy. Welcome to my channel, ladies. It's your girl Carrie M, and today I am so hyped because Hurela Hair sponsored this video. They sent me over this unit with these bomb highlights, bomb curls. I haven't opened it up yet to check it out, but I feel like it's gonna be so pretty because I looked at it on the website. I was like, girl, that's gonna be so cute on me. Please, if you haven't done so already, subscribe to this channel. And if you don't want to miss any of my lifestyle, beauty, fashion, because you know your girl versatile over here, please turn on the notification bell. This is the box that the unit came in. Again, it's from Hurela Hair. And I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it with y'all.
I make my own decisions, my lifelong mission, releasing inhibitions. I don't need you to come crawling back to me, to tell me that you're sorry. I'm better now.
Let me give you some specs on this unit really quick. This is some cute. It looks so cute. Oh my goodness. So this is what the unit looks like straight out of the package, you guys. So you see what I was talking about? These colors and these curls is so pretty. This is the 24-inch highlight Jerry Curly 13x4 lace frontal. So that means we get 13 inches from here, 4 inches front and back, 100%. Human hair wig, 150% density. The cap size is average size, which says 22 to 22.5 inches circumference. Oh, this is so... Y'all, this is so pretty. So the first thing I can say off jump is the unit is definitely going to be big hair friendly because I have a, look at this, I have a lot of space in this unit. Honestly, the hairline is like non-existent. It's a non-existent hairline as far as it being natural. Like, no way. I did a bald cap, you guys, because it's a 13x4 frontal, and I thought I was gonna be melting it down and like having the hairline out and stuff, but nah. Not with this. I really don't have the time to tweeze anything today, to be honest with y'all. So, and y'all know usually with my human hair units, I normally wash it and co-wash it and stuff. Like I said, I didn't have any time to do any of that. So we are using this unit straight out of the pack. So I did put some of my foundation on the back of this powder. And I'm just gonna dabble like the smallest amounts in certain spots just to tint it a little bit. Y'all, honestly, I'm just gonna tint it straight down the middle where the parting space is gonna be. I'm just doing the perimeter, like the outer part. Like that's all I really care about at this point. The hairline shape is a very odd hairline shape. Like it's like it comes out just a little bit in here, but it goes back a whole lot in this area. And that's not very useful to me. So, I mean, honestly, I could like bring the whole wig up like that. So that way this piece is kind of up and covering my hairline. But then I have this whole piece like on my forehead area. So this is going to be one of those wigs that you're going to have to cut and reconstruct to match your specific hairline. As far as the cap construction, we have a comb on this side, one on that side, one in the nape, and there are some adjustable straps. And as you can see, we have the 13x4 whole entire lace there. So I actually would have probably liked an elastic band in this unit, honestly, because I'm like, you kind of spacious, and I just need something to help it like stay put, you know what I mean? One thing I could say though about this unit, y'all, is it's really soft. Like the hair is so soft to the touch. So I already know, like if I were to wash it first or co-wash it before even applying it, that it'll probably get even softer. But it's really nice and soft to the touch. The lace is on the thicker side. This is one of those thicker laces too. In order for me to safely cover like my actual, like where my edges start and where my bald cap is starting, I will have to bring the wig right here. But this peak part is too close on my forehead. Like that shape looks weird to me. Like it's too much on my forehead. Like yeah, that's not my head shape. So I'm going to have to part out some hair, and I'm going to have to cut off more lace up in the front area. Oh, I'm trying to make sure I don't cut off too much.
Used to think that being single is being alone. Now I know I don't need you.
I can even go back a little bit more if I wanted to, but I'm noticing the more I go back, the more the dots are showing, the knots. So I'm gonna leave it right there. But look at this bowl cat. Y'all can't tell. I was ready, y'all. This look. I did that. I might mess around, leave this thing on overnight, try to keep a nice little clean bowl cat, because I might mess around and do a different wig tomorrow. I don't even know. Trying to get a little right side part popping. This is my good side. I love taking pictures like this, so I like to have the right part so I can have the hair flip. Yeah. Okay, we could kind of work with something like that. I'm gonna put some heat protectant on it because I'm about to try to flatten this a bit. But I want to let y'all know something. This stuff smells so good. My sister put me on to this. She used to do hair and stuff like that, and she had this in her little kit, and I used it one time and it smells so good. But it's a heat protectant. So because I'm going to be running some heat, I want to make sure I protect this hair, okay? You got to treat this human hair right now. This hot comb don't get that hot. You got to turn it all the way up. I'm going to have to look into... Y'all drop some comments below. Let me know if y'all use like a balm hot comb that get really hot, because I feel like this hot comb... It's all right, but I always have to use it on 500 and it don't give out 500 heat. Do y'all know what I'm trying to say? I'm gonna pluck this part a little bit. Oh, snap. Like, the hair is really, 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 really pretty. The only con that I'm having with this unit is the hairline. I'm just styling this unit, but also hiding the hairline, which is not giving me a lot of options to pull the unit back. But aside from that, it is a really pretty unit. Like, the color blend is off the freaking chain. The curls are like super, super pretty. The length is actually not too bad. It's actually a good for every day. It's not too much. Especially if you want something that you could throw on every day. You don't want to feel like it's too long and getting in your way. If you do have time to pluck the hairline, then you're definitely going to have a balmer looking unit than I have. You know, it ain't nothing wrong with it. Just know and keep in mind that you are going to have to customize this unit a little bit. You know, it is what it is. I'm going to use this oil moisturizer. This stuff is really nice. It's really good for kids' hair, curls, and stuff like that. So it's definitely going to soften up the hair, and it's a detangler. So it's going to help keep it from getting like too tangled. So I like it, okay? I really, really like it.
Used to think that being single is being alone. Now I know I don't need a class to being alone. You can stop me.
All right, so this is the completed look. Look how beautiful this hair is. The color is gorgeous, y'all. It's absolutely gorgeous. I did mention that it's 150% density, and I do feel like you get a nice full body with this unit. Like, we are getting somebody. But I would also say this is on the wet side, so if it doesn't look that full, that's why. But if you want a more fuller look, you could definitely not define the curls as much and kind of let it dry down without it being super defined, and you'll get the super full look without the hair being way down. The hair is not heavy at all. If you are a beginner, I would say definitely go for it. If you don't mind having just, you know, a part or whatever. If you do feel like you want to pull the unit back, then it may be challenging for the beginners, but you got to learn somewhere. I always say that because I wasn't plucking hairlines at one point, but now I am. You know what I'm saying? But the unit is really cute, you guys. Make sure that you take advantage of the promo code that I will pop here in the video, so you could go ahead and get your little bit of money off, little coins off. The direct link to the unit will be listed in the description box below, and all of the information for Hurela Hair. So again, y'all, thank you for coming over here. And if you're new, subscribe if you didn't do, if you ain't hear me say it at the beginning of the video. But I'm gonna wrap this video on up, and I will see you in another video. Until then, I will holla. Bye.